Hi guys, welcome back. In the previous video we learned that how components work, and we have also created our own standalone component, right? And now I'm going to move my this logic to into another component. Why I'm doing that? Because I want to make our code more structured as Vue prefer, because Vue divide the logic into the multiple components. So in this way we can reuse our code and we can use only the code where we need. Okay, and I'm going to now create a app component. So why I'm creating the app component? Because whenever by default when you will install the Vue.js application, Vue 2 or Vue 3 using the CLI, so then then the app start from app.js. So that's why I'm going to create that same as Vue when you install the Vue.js application. So we have started from scratch. I want to teach you each and everything how Vue.js works behind the scene. So that's why I'm not installing the Vue.js project. I have just started using the index file. Okay, and now let's cut this logic and create app.js component. So in the component I'm going to create app.js component, and here I'm going to cut this all of the logic and paste it here, and make sure to remove this and add a export default. As you know that whenever we are creating a new component, we need to add this export default. So in this way we can share that component data with other components. We can call that component into the other components, right? Okay, great. We have exported that, and make sure this button should be also added at the top, right? So I'm going to add that button here at the top. So import app button from where? From this file app button.js. basically I'm referencing this one, and this one is also exists in the components directory, so we don't need to specify it. I just mentioned the root directory. Okay, app button, and this one is a new component. So now we don't need to add it here, it's removed, but now we need this app.js component here. So I'm going to add this app from where? From components, and then there would be the app.js component, and then I'm going to remove this, and then I'm going to render this component here, right? I'm going to basically initialize this component using this one. Okay, now just go here and refresh it, and our functionality breaks. So now what's going wrong? It's a component slash app.js, and here we have this functionality. I think I haven't saved that logic. Let's get refreshed. No, it's saved. It's a app button.js app button. We are rendering that component and everything looks good, but let me see that what's going wrong. We can see it from the console. My god, there is no, it's a first one is error app.js. It's unable to find that app.js, right? Okay, let's move here. We have app.js is here. Oh, sorry guys, I have forgot to mention that JS, so that's why it's not able to locate that. Let's get refresh, and yes, these are the Chrome errors, not this one. So it's our app is working good, right? I have forgot to specify its correct path, so that's why it's showing that it's unable to locate that app.js component, right? Pretty much good progress. And here in this lecture I'm going to also suggest you to install the Vue dev tool extension. So whenever you will search Vue dev tool, so here just click on this Vue dev tool. It's a Chrome extension which you can install that. Okay, just click on this. I have already installed that, so that's why button is here. So you can click on it, and then this will be added into your web browser. And when you will inspect that, so here you will see a tab of Vue. So here this one is Vue is added, so that's why it's displaying here. If you click at, so you can see all of your dynamic properties are here. You can also call them as reactive properties. Okay, if I click on that, so you can see this, we have two components. This one is our root component, which is displaying this welcome to the Vue.js. So in this way you can basically install this Vue extension, and later on we will view our reactive properties here. So this will help us a lot. So must install this extension and move that logic from there. So I'll now start it from the next video. I'm going to start the props and emits, how you can send values from parent component to the child component. So let's explore this in the next video. Bye bye.